Hey guys, so I'm back. Okay, so let's start part 2. So I have this Welcomer hamburger again. It's a hard design, or it's kind of messed up. Then this bun mirror which broke, and the mirror came out too, but it's squishy. Okay, then this bun, Hello Kitty remake bun. This eggshell. This, what is this? Sorry, this macaroon. Then this Hello Kitty donut. Then I have a sponge again, a melon bun, a donut, which is also one of my top 20. Although it's like ordinary, but it's really soft and squishy and pretty. Then I have a defected macaroon, which is really defected. This panda bun, which is really soft. There's pink waffle, Oyama waffle, which is defected, really defected. But it's really scented and I really like it. Yeah, then I have a soap squishy, which is really defected. Then I have this Disney squishy, which is also really defected. Then I have these squishies for Christy88, because she won my Christmas giveaway. Yeah. Sorry. This realistic bread. This cream puff. This macaroon. This chocolate waffle, which is also kind of defected, but you can't see it because it's black in color. But yeah, I really like this. And I want more of those things, those like waffles. This bear bun, this chick, this melon bun, this cakes, and this strawberry, ordinary strawberry, Hello Kitty pencil wax, scrub bun, Cheshire cat bun, and there's the license, a burger, a cream puff again. I have 2 cream puffs, one here, a toaster made, and not lastly, this, and then this bun, and then this squishy, and then this chunky donut. Okay, now let's move on to the squishies which are packaged. Hold on, let me move the box. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so oh my god. Okay, then I have this macaroon. This off. Then I have this donut, which is not really like squishy material. And I have a Ikiru and Friends tiger. Yeah. Then I have a large dead face melon bun. Then I have a Squishy Toast Super Squishy, and this is one of my squishiest squishies. Then I have a Relakumaris bread. And I have this packaging for the pink one just now. Winnie the Pooh Winnie the Pooh melon bun. Yeah, I have the piglet one. Here's the piglet one. Piglet melon bun. Then I have a Scotch rugby ball. Then I have a Hello Kitty cake. Yeah. Then I have a Kiwi tart. Then I have a short baguette or short loaf. Yeah. And then I have a jumbo panda bun. Yeah, with an alien inside. I have a Fizzy and Cream Puff, which is not the like fake mascot one. This is the older one, which I like more. Yeah. Sorry, the packaging is open. Then I have let me move back. This Mickey Mouse mascot. In the back. Okay. Then I have a Hello Kitty in a mayonnaise bottle. Here's the tag. Then I have a Jumbo Burger. Smiling face burger. Oh, I forgot to say that some of them are not for trade, but never mind. I'll just tell you in the PMs or comments whether it's for trade or not for trade. Because some of them are not for trades. This marshmallow bun. This Iru t-shirt. Iru times Hello Kitty t-shirt. Which is rare, I guess. Daisy Duck. This Apollo chocolate. Oh. This melon bun, and this mini bun, which I love it, but it's for Kawaii Cream Puff Cho. Then I have a little mushroom. And I have a tiger pancake, which I like a lot. Like, it's really sticky. This fake mascot one, like, yeah. Then I have a cookie mirror. Then I have a instant bun. Then I have a bun, which is really soft. I have a pie towel. Then I have a Nutty Face sandwich, jumbo sandwich. Okay, then I have a Rilakkuma lemon. Hold on, let me. Then I have Bredo donut, cherry soul Bredo donut in original packaging. This money face slash bun, so soft. This bun, white bun. This chocolate bun. This Rilakkuma laying down. There's like, it's like kind of like spoiled. The feeling won't go in. Yeah, I'm actually getting another one, but the Blog Shop scammed me. Yeah, I hate that Blog Shop, but anyway, let's not spoil our mood. Then I have a Hello Kitty and a bunny, and here's a tag. I have a Nick Sushi. I'm not sure what it's called again. I think it's called Inagi or whatever. Hello Kitty toast. Or Hello Kitty toast, whatever. I'm actually getting a few stuff from that Blog Shop, but the Blog Shop scammed, like, she literally scammed me. So yeah, this Hello Kitty Cream Puff. And I packaged this myself. Yeah, it was quite easy to do it, but it's not really neat, I guess. Sentimental suckers. These smiling face thing. Bun. I really like it. It's so cute. This marshmallow. This sesame bun. One of my favorites too. Smells good and yeah, really soft and squishy. Then I have a panda bun, boy one, and a girl one with a pink bow. This Rilakkuma pad again. This egg. This muffin. This ball. This bun mirror. Burger mirror. This Mickey Mouse squishy. This Taiyaki fish squeeze toy. This Nemo squeeze toy. It's kind of hard to push out. this milk chocolate, this back to face egg, which is so squishy. There's another blush one, which is softer, but I love it. I love them both, so yeah. Really squishy. There's Hello Kitty Panda. Cookie Weaver. These hot pink macaroon. Hello Kitty macaroon, which is really soft. Then this Japanese squeeze toy, which squeezes out the Doraemon out. I have a keychain, or like a ramen. This Hello Kitty chocolate bar. Then I have a Bear School pancake. This tag. Then I have a what's this called? The Bakuma? Yeah, squeeze toy. This squeeze toy. This is a little bit of a problem, but yeah. This bowl, which is for pink cherries. I promise her not to squish it. So yeah. Then this squishy toast, but we are friends again, so yeah. Then this Hello Kitty donut. Then this Stitch cake bowl, which is rare, I guess. In original packaging. Then I have a new Pachao. I have a Hello Kitty donut. Oh, it's almost 12 minutes. Okay, so yeah, that's it for part 2. Bye!